Hi everybody, we're gonna play this game that I found on Steam. It was free, so I figured why not? I don't know what it is. I didn't look into it at all. So here we go, I guess. Guru games. Guru games. Mighty Poseidon, Lord of the Black Sea depths, swirling dark and deep. Whose will shapes the currents of fate? I couldn't read all of it. Save thy servant! Break open the blah blah blah! Is that corn? What? Okay. Whoa, okay. It's mighty dark. You can interact. Oh, great. Oh, okay. I can jump. This was free, by the way. Eliona, part 1 of 8. Father told me he had great news today, but he did not sound pleased. He said I had been chosen, and that I was to serve the temple as an oracle. I have always felt like I did not belong in the kitchens, but Mother never let me see anything else. Dirty pans and pots all day. I prayed to him, and now my God has answered. Why can't Father be happy for me? Well, I don't know. Maybe because he knows you're gonna die. Bum bum bum. Can I run? Okay. Cool. Check this this top hat out. What? I can't go over there? What? It's just straight blocked off. Okay. Whatever. Oh my god. This is making me tired. I'm just gonna warm up over here. Alright. Oh, maybe another note. Maybe. Today is the day that they take me to the temple. Father said I could not call him father anymore, and that no one at the temple can know about him and Mother. I have a bruise on my shoulder where his fingers dug in when he grabbed me. The acolytes should come by at sunset, he said, and that I should not worry. But I do worry. I have never seen that look in his eyes before. Dude, can I stop, like, hearing my heartbeat? It's freaking... Ugh. It's stressing me out. Ooh. Hello? Hello? Well, I rang the first bell, and if this is anything like Dark Souls, there should be one more. And then this game's gonna get really fucking hard. Oh no. Sir? Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to move. You're freaking everybody out. Sir? Sir! Oh, well. Oh, whoa. The Minotaur right there. Sort of a Minotaur. Oh, is it another leather? Oh. She is to become... Wait, did I miss something? Let me check. Did I miss a letter? No. Huh, okay. Whale. Whale. Whale, whale, whale. She's to become his body and soul. His body and soul. I see. Chosen by fate, they told me. An oracle to see the future. Ah, my god. Oracle to see the future and grant blessings according to Poseidon's will. I won't let him take my beautiful daughter. I have seen that what the Hierophant and his followers do to these poor girls in the sanctuary. Chosen, but for whom? Whose will is she to please? I still have some friends amongst the younger priests that promise to help. We are going to ambush them in the gardens and get her away from the Hierophant's filthy fingers. But where to hide her? They will look for her in the village, and she will not be safe anywhere near the water. Oh, my sweet daughter, why did you have to be like your mother? Beauty is not a blessing, but a curse upon the young. Aww. So they're like taking her... That's not even like an oracle. They're just taking her to bring her into like a glorified sex trade. That's awful. Oh god. Oh no. I guess I came in this door. Okay. I'm not going to be an oracle after all. Father came with some men and killed the priests. One of his friends got stabbed and I screamed. Father slapped me until I fell silent. He never hurt me before. Then he dragged me away somewhere within the temple. They locked me in here with the wounded man. I can hear his ragged breathing. There's a bubbling sound when he exhales. They got blood all over my blue dress too, the one Mother gave me on Solstice Day last summer. I wonder if it will ever wash out. You are way too chill about what just happened. Young lady. Ah, okay. Cool. Easy enough. This is just gonna be a point and click game. I can tell already. It's like those games that you go to Walmart and they're like, get 3 of these games for $4 for 5 cents. Step, 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 step. Oh, it skipped a step sound. Okay. This is way too dark. Hold on. Turn up the brightness just a little. There we go. See how that helps. Yeah, that's a little better. Okay. Well, I'm not sure what I'm doing right now. Down the dark hall! I'm sure it'll be safe. Oh, wait, is that a... Oh, I thought that was like a secret door. A secret hatch. Can I crouch? Is that a thing? Oh, okay. Tutorials! Awesome. I really want to stop hearing my heartbeat in my ear. Okay, another note. Due to the illness spreading among the servants, the eastern catacombs has been locked down and is under quarantine. The bridge leading to this area may not be lowered at any times by anyone, unless explicit orders have been given by the High Hierophant. Okay. Let's go this way. Secret door? No? Okay. Can I not get through here? Can I jump and crouch at the same time? Nope. You cannot crouch jump in this game. This is no Halo. Sprint. Sprantin'. I've been sprinting this whole time, actually. Is that cheating? Oh. To lean? Why would I want to do that? Dude, my guy needs to chill out. Alright, here we go. Oh, did you hear that? Did you guys hear that? It sounded like the wind. Oh, is this a torch? Yeah, it is. Whoa! Well, that's not good. Well, now I can't see, and I threw my torch on the ground on accident. Dang it. Well, now what am I supposed to do? I don't have a torch. Whoa, it's green in here now. Whoa, why am I freaking out? Oh crap, it's getting creepy. Okay. Oh. What is that sound? Okay. Okay, as soon as I get near there, he starts freaking out, so I'm not going that way. I'm gonna freaking find my torch. God dang it, where did I put it? Oh, can I go in here? Oh, cool. Oh, I'm hiding. Whoa. Ooh. Oh crap. This is one of those games. Oh crap. I'm not very good at scary games. I get scared way too easy. There's a bee in here! Ooh. Can I just stay crouched? Oh my god, I don't even know what to do. I just wanted a torch. Hello? Dude, I bet that girl got trapped down here. And now she's Medusa. Oh my god. Medusa's Labyrinth. Okay. Okay, alright. I'm going, I'm doing it. I'm just gonna stay crouched. Alright, my guy's freaking out a little less. Oh, there he goes again. I thought I heard somebody walking around. Oh god. I don't have a torch anymore. I think I screwed up. I think I needed that torch and I can't find it now. Oh my god, this sucks. Okay. Oh no. Oh, I'm good. God, I can't see enough to find the torch. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna turn up the brightness. Just so I can find the torch, and then I'll turn it back down. I promise. Because I threw it over here on accident. And I don't know where I threw it. But I accidentally, like, made the things go out. And now, oh, there it is. I see it. I just can't grab it. It won't let me grab the torch. No. Dang it. Okay, well, maybe if I just, like, go die, I can restart. Oh, Jesus, screw it. Ah! Oh, there's another torch. Okay. But I can't use it. I'm in Hades. It is dark here. I've not seen the light of the sun in days. The slave's father sent to guard me let their eyes linger longer than they should. It makes my skin crawl. Their master comes by now, and then to leave supplies, but never stays long. They haven't acted upon the things I see in their minds, but I can't sleep with them so close. I wish father was here. The whitewashed bones that fill these tunnels whisper to me, call for me to join them. I might take them up on the air offer. Oh my god. So she can, like, read minds and stuff. And she was in here with some peeps who were trying to get with her, and she was like, nah, that's weird. And she wanted her father back. Jesus, why am I even here in the first place? That's the real question. Oh my god, this is stressful. Torches will burn out. Well, that's great, but I don't have one in the first place. Ooh. I thought that was a person. I thought that was a person, but it was not. Dude. Oh my god. There's a lady. Ah! Jeez, that's scary. Please don't move. I would not like that at all. Okay. Whew. Here we go. Oh my god. I'm always expecting something to happen when it goes. Oh wait, is this where I was? Oh, okay. Now I'm at the beginning. Oh, great, but it's blocked off now. Awesome. That's just great. And this is a new tunnel, maybe? No, this is the same. I need to get over there somehow. Oh, Jesus, okay. Here we go. Oh, this is open now. Whoa. Okay.
The tunnels, they're changing.
Bom, bom, bom. Oh, another note. I found a way to hide her from all of them, mortals and gods alike. Kirakilos and 2 of his slaves will watch over her down there. No one will look for the living amongst the dead. I just hope she will understand that I do this to protect her. Ever since Timaeus died, she has refused to talk to me. I probably should not have slapped her like that, but her scream could have ruined everything. Timaeus' death was a hard blow for all of us. A slap is nothing in comparison, yet I wish it was undone. I long to hear her sweet laugh again. Someday soon, when they've stopped looking, I'll make her smile like she used to. Ooh, no you won't, bruh. Oh, no way. I can defend myself. Press F to pick up the bow. Oh my god. Got a bow now. I don't have a torch. Oh. Oh, there's a torch. Yeah. Oh no, I was kidding. Don't do that. Can I light it? Come on. There we go. Yeah, that's better. Actually, that's almost worse. Okay. Are these spider webs? Bruh, I don't want to fight no spider. Oh. My bow. Oh wait, it was F. I can't tell where I'm aiming, there's no... Wow, awesome, thanks. Thanks a lot, game. Okay. Whoop. Okay. I would like my arrow back, but... yeah! Can I have my arrow back? No? Okay. Cool. I almost threw that down there. Maybe I could see better down there if I do it. Okay. Can I light torches on this green lantern? Oh, awesome. Freaking great. What's the point in even having a torch anymore? What's the point? Whoa. What is going on? No, this is not what I signed up for. I did not think that this is what was gonna happen. Whoa! That was a Minotaur, bruh. I'm just gonna stay crouched. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. Something's gonna kill me. Oh my god, this is awful. The first time I die, I'm done. I'm not doing this anymore. I cannot. Oh, I'm gonna have a heart attack. The bone song is within me now, and they can sense it. The melody vibrates just below my skin, and those monsters no longer dare to meet my gaze. Last time they came for me, I gouged one of their eyes out with my thumb. Now they keep the door locked and stay away. Father has left me. He buried me with the other corpses. I hate him. I hate them all. Oh no! Eleona, why? Well, I'm at 6 of 8, so I have to be getting close to the end of this game, right? Like, but I feel like I just started it. Stress me out. Another torch. Huh. Cool. I can take more than one. Just have nothing to light it on. I am out of here. That Minotaur can mind his own business. Oh. Well. Nope. Bye. I'm leaving. Bye, everybody. We are heading this way. Let's go back towards the other Minotaur. Can I light these on the green ones? Whoa. Dude, he's still in this freaking hallway. Come on. Come on. Walk by so I can go through. Come on. Come on. Get my bow out just in case. Oh man. Alright. Here we go. I'm ready. I'm freaking ready. Let's go. Dude. Dude, he's gonna freaking kill me as soon as I get in here. I just know it. Whoa, that scared me. Oh crap. Ah, this is getting stressful. God, that freaking scared the poo out of me. Alright, last night they came in when I was sleeping. I was so certain I had barred the door, but I must have forgotten. Such a small mistake. When Father comes, he will have them killed. I told them so, and they laughed. Why would they laugh? It hurt more than the rest. The bones sing to me now, a wordless hymn. It helped me after they left. I just lay there and listened to it for hours. Whoa, this is getting weird. Take that. Oh my god. Nope. What, I can't pick that one up because I already used it? That's lame. Can I light this? No, don't throw it down. Oh my god. There you go. I thought I could light things with it. Yeah. That's better. Oh, it's only certain things. Okay. Alright. Here we go. So she got raped. That sucks. That's the worst. Like, this whole situation sucks. I hate this story. God, dude, this Minotaur is gonna be down here. It's gonna freaking kill me. Come on, light. What are you doing? Can I not light these? Well, that's weird. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh. No, no, no. Something's gonna burst through the wall. Something's gonna happen. Nothing's happened yet. Sorry about all my coughing and my voice being weird. I've been losing it these past couple of days. So this might not even go up. I'll probably pee my pants, so this probably won't go up anyway. Deeper into the... Dude. Oh my god. No. I heard a mouse. I heard a little moosey. Can I light the ground? That'd be awesome. Alright. Oh shoot, dude, I just saw something walking. I swear I did off in the distance. Oh my god, okay. I can't freaking take this anymore, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Come after me! I'm not afraid, I have a bow! Okay, I need the... No, I was kidding. I need the torch. Give me the torch. There you go. Okay. You can see better if you're crouched. If you're crouched. Oh, jeez. Why am I doing this with headphones on? No. Alright. Down or up? Let's try this area first. Can I jump up here? Nope. Jesus Christ. This is the worst. Okay. I'm not crouching anymore. We're doing this. God, how deep do these things go? And then all my lights are gonna go out. Nope. Maybe not. Look around the corner here. There's another door there. And... Right, I think I'm good. Alright. Another torch. I buried Timios today. It had been done in secret, but he deserved a place of honor for his sacrifice. I washed his bones myself and sent them down with the acolytes to be buried in the tombs under a false name. I cannot risk going down for a visit, but I miss her more than anything. The Hierophant suspects that someone amongst the lower priests has stolen her away, but so far his search has yielded no results. Oh god, where's the story going? Whoa! Whoa! Okay. I'm going. I'm going. Calm down. I'm going. I'm not waiting. I'm I'm going. Calm down, buddy. It's okay, everything's fine. We'll just check around the corners. Oh, great. Okay. Wait, we have another torch. We have more torches. We're good. It's okay. Calm down. There you go. Good job, buddy. Okay, there's nothing in this hallway. We're good. We're gonna crouch a little bit, just in case there is something down here. Don't want it to see us. Alright. I don't see anything. I think we're fine. Let's read this. Something is wrong with Kira Kilos. I went to him to ask him about my daughter, but his servants would not let me speak to him. They said he has a fever and that the Hierophant has ordered that no one is to come near him for fear of spreading the disease. Maybe the higher priests are onto us, but there is nothing I can do. I cannot run while she is down there. If nothing changes soon, I will have to go down there and find her myself. Arcus, no. I'm like checking over my shoulder. I get really freaked out really easy. I was not expecting this to be a horror game. I didn't read it at all. Okay. I'm gonna go around this way because it seems more secretive. There are plants growing down here. Oh, because there's sunlight. How thoughtful of them. Oh, I don't like that sound. Chill with that. Well, my guy isn't freaking out, so I guess I shouldn't be either. I do hear something, though. Yeah, there we go. God, what is that sound? Hello? I don't speak that language, whatever language that is. Hello? I have an arrow waiting for you, whoever you are. Please call back at your earliest convenience. Nobody's home. Whole bunch of skulls. Whole bunch of skulls. Here we go. Okay. Anything? God, this music does not calm down. Not even for a freaking second. I feel like I've been avoiding death for quite some time. Seems almost impractical. This area feels not so good in my heart. Anybody? Oh. Cool. It's not green. That makes me feel a little better. What's around here? I thought I just heard somebody walking. Ooh. Oh no. There we go. Okay. Nothing. Alright. Some arrows. Yeah. Which I have not had to use but one time since I've gotten any. But you know, whatever. Can I light these on fire? That'd be cool. Ow, my throat. Ugh. I'm so sorry. Oh. What the fuck was that? That was a lot less scary now that I saw it. Alright. Ooh. Still in there? Where you at, buddy? Oh crap! He walked right past me. Okay. Time to go. Oh, that's caps lock. There we go. Oh, he's coming back. Oh crap. Where did he go? Sir? Excuse me, sir? I don't know what his walking pattern is yet. God, this is stressful. Okay, let's go this way. Oh, there he is. Ooh. Oh, God! Oh, no. I am dead. I am so dead. He's gonna kill me. Well, there he is. Hi. What are you gonna do now, sucker? Huh? Huh? What you gonna do now? You can't get me. Let's go. I'm just gonna arrow you right in the tush. Give me your tush. Sucker. I got you right in the tush. Let's go. Can I kill you? I didn't even hit him. Still freaking out. Hi. Oh, guess it was nothing. This is a lot less scary now that I know what he looks like. Yeah! What are you gonna do? Huh? What you gonna do? I have no more arrows. Well, that was stupid. Hi! Alright, well, this is a game, so it happened. Oh no! And I'm dead. Okay, well, that was fun for a little while, I guess. Okay, yeah, I'm not doing this again. Well, that was Medusa's Labyrinth, sort of. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't really get scared. Which sucks, because it's really funny when I get scared. You guys have been watching PT, so that's me being scared. This was me thinking I was gonna be scared, realizing I wasn't, and then had fun anyway, I guess? I hope you enjoy. Everybody have a good day, have a good week, have a good weekend, whatever. And as always, Auf Wiedersehen. Bye.